Alright, hi guys. Let's go ahead and look at finding the area and perimeter of this shape here. This is a triangle, so hopefully we all are real good at the formula, 1/2 of base times height. And truly, this is on a grid, so we can just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the whole base is 6. And we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The whole height is also 6. So we're going to have 1/2 of base times height. I'm a little excited about my upcoming 3. So 1/2 of 36, which is 18 units squared. So that's it. That's all you need to do for the area. For the perimeter, I already have my 6, so I know I'm going to go ahead and add a 6. But I also need these values. The only way to find these values is to go ahead and create a nice little right triangle. So, and this value here is 2, and this value here is 6. So I can use Pythagorean theorem. So we have 2 squared plus 6 squared is equal to c squared. So this is 36 plus 4. I square root, simplify that as square root of 4 and square root of 10. Why do I do that? Because I want to have a perfect square that comes out. So that would be 2 root 10. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. Create a nice little right triangle. I've got 4 on this side and 6 on this side. So I have 36 plus 16, that was 6 squared plus 4 squared, equals my new c squared. And c squared is equal to 52. And does 4 go into 52? Yeah. So this would be split up as 4 and 13, which is 2 root 13. So this would be the exact answer. And I would do, what, square root of 40? This is approximately 6.32, and root 52 is approximately 7.21. So I would add 6 plus 7.21 plus 6.32. And I would get approximately 19.53 would be the approximate. So let's look at number 2. For 2, we have the, okay, so formula for area, 1/2 of height times base 1 plus base 2. We have base 1. We have base 2, the whole thing is 25. And I need the height. The height's right here. So I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem again, but this time this is my c squared. And I have 8 squared plus b squared, or h squared, is fine. So I have b squared is equal to 100 minus 64, which gives us 36. Square root, I get 6 for my heights. So 1/2 of 6 is 3, and this is what, 36? So 3 times 36 is 108. So that's for the area. For the perimeter, I have most of the parts. I have 11, I have 10, I have 25. I don't want to include 8 because it's already been included in this whole thing. What I need, this is parallel lines, and so the heights would be exactly the same. So this is 6. The whole thing is 25. I already have 8 and 11. So I can subtract 25 minus 11 minus 8, which gives me 6. So this value here is 6. Nicely drawn to scale. You're welcome. And then I am looking for this c, because that is the last part of my perimeter I need. And so I would have 6 squared plus 6 squared is equal to c squared. So 36 plus 30, whoops. Square root of 72 is approximately, so this ends up being 6 root 2, because this is 36 and 2. So this is the exact answer, but the approximate is 8.49. So plus 8.49. So we have 11 plus 10. 25. So the exact answer would be 46, adding all those up, plus 6 root 2. The approximate answer would be 46 plus 8.46. And, well, nope, 49 is approximately 54.49. So again, this is the approximate and this is the exact. So the answers are on the website, so you can check these guys, see if you do it correctly. Very, very similar. So let's look at number 3. In class today, we looked at if I extend this line and extend this line, I get a nice little rectangle here. So the whole entire rectangle is equal to 8 times 9, which is equal to 72. And then what I want to do is I want to subtract. I want to subtract the triangle. The triangle's height is 8. So minus the triangle, which is 1/2 of 8 times 7, which is equal to 28. And I also want to subtract this triangle here, which if this was 3, the whole thing was 8, so this must be 5. And if I draw this perfectly up here as a nice right angle, so I used like something that really was 90 degrees and drew it in there, it ended up perfectly landing right here. It's almost like I planned it. Oh wait, I did. So this lands right here. So that means if this is 2, this is also 2. So the area of this guy, this small triangle, is 1/2 of 2 times 5, which is equal to 5. So I subtract 72 minus 28 minus 5, and I get that the area is equal to 39. Now, for the perimeter, I have 3, I have 2, I have 7, I have 8, I have 7. I need this value here, which I need to use Pythagorean theorem for. So I end up getting 25 plus 4 is 29. So I square root c is equal to root 29. So I have 7 plus 8 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3. Again, that was 7 plus 8 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus root 29, which is 27 plus root 29, exact. And then the approximate is the square root of 29 is approximately 5.39. So 27 plus 5.39 is equal to approximately 32.39. All right, guys, hope that helps. See you soon.